Hold on a minute.
What?
Go ahead. Hi, Auntie Beth.
Hi, Buff.
I love you.
Love you.
I'm watching.
What movie are you watching?
Harry Potter.
Harry what?
Harry Potter.
Look at tell the camera.
Tell Auntie Beth, what movie are you watching?
That one.
Tell me.
What?
What's the name of it?
Harry Potter. Harry and Harry.
Can you do a cast a spell for me?
Spice Pow.
Say Wingardium Leviosa.
Do it.
I did.
Do it again.
Say
Leviosa. I did.
Can you do little kisses?
Blow kisses to Auntie Beth. Go like this. Mwah. I love you, Auntie Beth. I miss you.
She's too involved with Harry Potter.
She's watching Harry Potter. Let me see if I can find my kitties so you can see what ones go meow. Let's see. Where's the Spooky? Come here, pretty girl. Come here. Come see Mama. This is Spooky. There's my girl. Say hi. Kane. And Kane is the devil.
That's King.
That's Kate's cat, Kane, that's eating. Trying not to get inside the litter box. Kane. See, he's got the white nose. That's Kane.
Let's go like me.
Yes.
What's what? Wait.
Hannah,
What?
what does Spooky say?
Meow.
What does Kane say?
Meow.
What does Auntie Jenny say?
Meow.
What? You're silly. You're very silly. Yeah. That's Spooky right there.
Spooky, yes.
Yes.
It's my spooky.
Yes. Yes.
That's not spooky.
What is that?
No.
That's a rotisserie.
This week cat.
A rotisserie cat?
Yes.
You're a goof.
Pet cat.